Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can set up SOS feature on Android phone. Alright guys, first of all, go to your settings application on your Android phone and you have to scroll down until you find advanced feature. So this is the advanced feature setting. Tap on it. Then since we want to activate the SOS feature, we can click on the circle button. And then after that, we have to set up the contacts that we want to send messages to. So if you're in emergency situation, your phone will automatically send SOS message to this contact. And you can create contact, or you can also select from contacts. And then for example, I'm going to click on create contact. Then I'm going to name my dad like this, and for the number phone, this is just for example. And then we can click on save after we are done setting up the contact. Okay, and we can go back to the previous section. So if you're in emergency situation, you can press the power key 3 times or 4 times. You can set it up. For example, I'm going to select just 3 times. And then if you are in an emergency situation, you can press your power key 3 times, and then your phone will automatically send SOS message to the contact that you have set up. Alright guys, and that's how we can set up SOS feature on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.